Today we're showcasing the AvaulT Gold X1 V2.0 MT5, an advanced expert advisor designed for precision trading on XAUUSD gold. This EA brings together 4 intelligent trading strategies to adapt automatically across trend, range, and volatility phases, giving traders stable and consistent performance. After downloading, you'll find the EA file, installation guide, and a quick README note. Just copy the file into your MetaTrader 5 Experts folder, restart MT5, and drag AvaulT Gold X1 EA onto your chart. Your setup is ready for testing or live trading. Here we're running the EA on the XAUUSD H1 chart, with an 800 USD deposit and 1 to 500 leverage using the every tick model for accuracy. The EA executes multiple coordinated strategies, managing trades through dynamic stops, trailing logic, and adaptive filters. You can see smooth entries and exits as it reacts to market shifts in real time. During backtesting, the total net profit reached around $1,837, with a profit factor of 2.20 and a recovery factor above 1.5. Drawdown remained below 10%, showing how efficiently the EA balances risk and reward. The equity curve rises steadily, proving consistent profitability even through high volatility gold movements. Each strategy, trend, countertrend, volatility, and range works together for stable long-term performance. AvaulT Gold X1 EAV 2.0 MT5 is now available for instant download at yoforexea.com, including the set file and user manual. Join our Forex Premium Telegram channel for updates, support, and access to exclusive trading bots. Trade with Forex Premium,